So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out which exact Google Chrome tab is consuming a lot of resources in your case and how you can easily stop it. Now, for example, if I open the Google Chrome, multiple tabs are open inside the Google Chrome. Now simply press Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard and you'll notice a window will appear right in front of you. That is the task manager specifically for Google Chrome. Now inside this memory footprint option, you'll find out all the tabs, all the extensions, and all the other processes running on Google Chrome browser. You can easily check which tab is consuming that. Let's say this browser tab or this YouTube window is consuming a lot of memory. So just simply select it and hit on this option of End Task, and you'll notice that that specific window will now stop consuming the resources. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.